Hey everyone, it's Eric with KiaStinger.com. Today I'm going to just go over the video for doing the dash cam wiring. Very, very simple. You don't need to be an expert to do this. You don't need to be a mechanic to do this. You can do this within an hour. You don't need to pay somebody to do this install 2-3 hours. They probably charge upwards of $500 for a dash cam with the dash cam. So I don't know, whatever the pricing may be. I don't know, never priced it. I did the installs on 4 vehicles now, never had a problem. I've never done it before, and I figured it out. So let me just go through how I did this, all right? Okay, there's my dash cam. It's out of view with the view from the driver's seat. It's tucked underneath the rear view mirror. I do have a radar detector there, but you take the 2 wires, you got a power wire and your secondary channel wire, which is for your rear view camera. You're gonna take those wires and they're gonna get tucked up into this rear cover behind your mirror. This is on a 2027 Kia Telluride. You're gonna just take your finger, put it up in there, lift up, pull down, and that comes out, all right? That piece is out. And if you look up in here, there's your wires. I did a video on the radar detector with the mirror tap. So from there, you're gonna take your 2 wires from the dash cam and you're gonna feed them up in here. After you start feeding them up, you don't have to feed the whole wire, just enough wire to get from there to the edge around here and then back down to the dash cam. That's all you need to do. After that, the cover can go cover can go back on. Push down, clip it in, that's it. You can put your mirror back up, whatever you want to do. You can do that later. From there, took the wire, ran it all the way across the top of the windshield, tucked it up a little into the headliner. That's it, nothing crazy. Over here, there's a seam. Along this seam is where I put the wire. I use this trim tool, trim removal tool. Took the wire, put it along that seam, pushed it in all the way across. Go outside. From there, from this seam here, I have both wires, both the same way, from the dash cam up into the headliner to this seam, both wires. Pull the weather stripping down. Your power wire is going to go down inside the weather stripping. There's room between the body and the inside of the car. You can just feed the extra wire there. And I came down to this little seam right here and I tucked it around, and you can see it's attached to the OBD2 port. If anybody doesn't know what the OBD2 port is, that's the port that your mechanic uses to diagnose electronical issues on your car. All right, so that's the power wire. From there, I ran the rest of the wire for the secondary channel. From this seam, pulled the weather stripping down. All right, tuck the wire in. You get to another seam over here. Okay, you see that seam? No wire. Just take the wire and just tuck it in with that trim tool. All right, let's go to the next door. From here, again, just pull this weather stripping down. All right, pull it down, tuck the wire up, put the weather stripping back in. There's another seam right here. Again, with the trim tool, just push the wire in. Nice and clean. No screws needed, nothing. Let's go to the back. All right, from that seam there, I went, again, the wire is in the headliner alongside the glass. Just tuck it in. Came this seam over here, again, Just take the trim tool, push the wire in. You don't see it. It will go right back to where it was. When you want to take it out, just pull the wire out gently, but the wire will come out. From here, you to pull the weather stripping up. Tuck all your extra wire, because there's a lot of wire that comes with this. I think they're trying to wire it for like a limo or something, because it will stretch that far. I don't know. But you pull that out, tuck all your extra wire up into the headliner. There's a lot. Just leave yourself enough room to take the wire, go up into the trim around the glass in the back. This is on a Kia Telluride. Just grab this, squeeze it. This will pop off. Tuck the wire up in there, and it goes to your secondary channel for the rear camera. That's it. There's no wires. There's no glue. There's a wire, sorry. But there's no glue. There's no zip ties. There's no screws, nothing needed to make this install at all. You as a home mechanic, you as a person that's not mechanically inclined can easily do this. And that's how you do it. All right, so this is that's how you do the install on a dash cam for Kia Telluride 2027. Again, I've done it on a 2018 Kia Stinger. I've done it on a Honda Pilot. I've done it on a Buick. It's very, very simple to do these jobs. You don't need any tools. Just a trim tool. That's the only thing you need. You don't need any screws. You don't need any glue. You don't need any zip ties, nothing. If you want to use a zip tie to tie up the extra wire in the back, fine, do it. But you don't need it. Just tuck the wire in that headliner. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is again Eric from KiaStinger.com. I can help you out. Like, subscribe, and share my videos. Have a good day.